so we created that virtual machine. Now it's time to put the operating system. So we click on Hyper-V on the right side. And we're going to go ahead and get this virtual machine started. And it takes a few minutes. There it goes. Windows 2025. And once it finishes loading, I'll just resize the screen a little bit here. We are going to go ahead and make sure that the operating system will be officially installed on this virtual machine. Just give it a few minutes here as it gets started, and I will just kind of walk you through the screens that you'll be seeing once you load the Windows 2025 operating system. And it should be really nice because I believe it has a lot of support for the Azure cloud services. So that's a nice cool feature to be aware of in Windows 2025. And so we'll just let this load. Getting ready. We'll be there any minute. Here we go. Now, as you can see, we're putting in the information about the United States in English and all that good stuff. Click on next. After we double check everything, make sure you choose the right language. And now it's applying the settings accordingly. And once it does that, we'll go to the next screen here. And this is the licensing information that you need to accept. Go ahead and do that. And of course, make sure you put in your password for the account that you are using to install the operating system. Right now it's administrator, but you could go back once we have everything installed and create another account with administrative privileges. I just don't like using that administrator account for the primary account, so I usually create another account with admin rights. So now it's going to finalize the settings. So the computer settings are being applied to the virtual machine, and of course we will have some policies and sessions added to the virtual machine as well, and it'll be a pretty straightforward process. As you can see, it says local session manager. That's loaded. Now we're ready to log in, so I'll just go ahead and do Control-Alt-Delete from the top menu there, and I'll be able to log in as an administrator after I put in the password. Now remember to make a secondary account that has all of the admin privileges, so that way if anything ever happens to the administrator account, you can still log into your server without any hiccups or complications. And here we are, we're logging in. You can see it says remote desktop configuration, profiles, user profile service, all that fun stuff for the first front end of the server. And once it officially logs in, we will be at the Windows Server 2025 front end desktop, or the just the front end interface, I should say. So let it go a little further. It takes a few minutes to load the profiles for the first time, and then once that's done, the next time you log in, it'll be much shorter. So let's just let that run for a few minutes, and that way you could see the official desktop screen appear. Applying user settings is a good sign. We're going to be there any minute. So yeah, just let it run. Go get a snack or something, come back, it'll be running. If I had some more RAM in the system, I guess it would run a little faster. And there it is. There's your desktop.